The arrival of New Horizons at Pluto marked the 50-year anniversary of the Mariner 4 spacecraft's arrival at the planet Mars. There was a lot of excitement surrounding this event because observations of Mars by telescope that were pretty poor in resolution had given us tantalizing hints of color differences that could be vegetation, of lines that crisscrossed the surface that might be canals. It was the beginning of the space age and the height of the Cold War, and from the mouth of one who was involved at the time, interest was intense. The first of just a few kilobits of images in total returned by Mariner 4, can you imagine that? Showed us a surface that was dry and dusty and cratered. There were no forests or canals, and the promise of life receded to small, isolated locations or buried underground. Our disappointment in the prospects for a more captivating Mars was palpable and lasted for decades. We have since been back to Mars in force with orbiters, landers, and rovers, and we have seen that our close neighbor is a much more interesting place once again. So we should remember that places, perhaps like people, bear a second and a third and a fourth look to truly understand them.